Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on supercharging your website with FlyingCDN. We'll guide you through a simple, seamless process. Before we begin, ensure you have access to your site's DNS records, which are crucial for this setup. You'll need to make changes in your DNS provider, so keep your DNS login handy. Let's get started. Navigate to your FlyingCDN dashboard and click Add New Site. Enter your primary domain name here. Remember to avoid using www so that you can later point any subdomains to FlyingCDN. Next, we will require your server's IP address. This can be located in your DNS records where your primary domain is typically pointed. Alternatively, you can find the IP address in your hosting or server control panel. Now let's point your DNS to FlyingCDN. Click View DNS Records. You will see two types of DNS records, one to add and another to update. You can use any DNS provider. We're showing GoDaddy and Cloudflare for now, but the steps will be similar for the rest. Let's start with GoDaddy. Go to your DNS records in GoDaddy, create a new CNAME record. Copy the name and content from FlyingCDN. This is needed for issuing wildcard SSL certificates. Now let's connect your website to FlyingCDN. Locate the DNS record for your root domain, which should currently point to your server IP. Update it with the IP provided by FlyingCDN. You can also connect subdomains, such as www, to the root domain using a CNAME record. Now let's move on to Cloudflare. Go to your Cloudflare DNS records, create a new CNAME record, and paste the name and content from FlyingCDN. Again, this is for wildcard SSL. For FlyingCDN to work correctly, it's essential to disable the Cloudflare proxy. Leaving it enabled can prevent issuing the SSL certificate, cause downtime, performance degradation, or other errors. Then, locate the DNS record for your root domain and update it with the IP provided by FlyingCDN. You can also connect subdomains such as www to the root domain using a CNAME record. Once all DNS records are in place, FlyingCDN will continuously monitor them. When everything is correctly set up, you'll see an active status, usually within seconds, and rarely more than a minute. To verify everything is working correctly, open your site in an incognito window and check the Network tab in your browser's developer tools. If FlyingCDN is active, you'll see response headers like CDN showing FlyingCDN and FlyingCDN cache marked as hit. This means your content is successfully being served from the FlyingCDN cache. Now for the final stretch, integrating FlyingCDN with FlyingPress. Copy your FlyingCDN API key and paste it into the CDN settings within FlyingPress. Then you're all set. You might also want to check the TTFB or time to first byte to see how your server response time has improved across different locations. KeyCDN's performance tool is perfect for this. Remember, FlyingCDN caches pages upon the first request, meaning the initial visit routes to your origin server. Run a second test to witness the speed difference. Congratulations! Your website is now equipped with the power of FlyingCDN, ready to deliver content at lightning speed to your visitors.